Hi everyone, this is Crafty Loo. It's Huntrix. Hi everyone. Judging by my outfit, I'm going on vacation on a ruby yacht. See you on board. Bye-bye, Mira. Looks like I'm off to a sapphire yacht. Hooray! Bye everyone. So, this is my yacht? Then bye everyone, I'm off on vacation too.
What?
Hey, it's not working. I don't have another outfit. I'll make you a great swimsuit. Come with me. So, are you ready to change your look? Wow, so many glitters and gems. Look at all this material. Oh, a swimsuit pattern. This is how it lays out. Let's trace it on white fabric. Cut out the piece. It turned out great. Fold it in half and sew it. Now cut these threads to make it neat. Rumi, your swimsuit is ready. I take rhinestones and decorate all the cut edges with them. Wow, much better now. This sparkly corset. Let's glue it onto the swimsuit too. We need this piece. Cut it off and attach it in the center. Add these dangling rhinestone charms. Here's the diamond swimsuit we made for Rumi. Oh, she doesn't have earrings on. Put these on. And let's decorate her hairstyle with rhinestones. Stick them on the hair and add a sparkly hair clip. Look what a glamorous hairstyle it turned out. Thank you so much, Crafty Loo. I have to run now.
Let's go.
Where's my yacht? All right. Well, I think I made it.
What?
Oh no, the yachts are sailing away. What do I do?
God.
Oh, there's a stick, but it won't help me on its own. What do we have here? Crafty Loo, look what I found. It's a spool of thread. Oh, I'll never get off this island. Hey, Rumi, don't be sad. I'll help you. Take a chopstick and silver thread. Wrap the thread around the edge of the chopstick. Then tie this chopstick to another one. Tie several chopsticks together with one thread in the same way. Weave the chopsticks on both sides. Decorate it with rhinestones of different sizes. Glue another wooden stick vertically in the center of the raft, then lean another one against it at an angle and tie it. Secure everything well. But something is missing. We'll use this shiny fabric. Apply glue to the top of the mast, wrap it with the fabric, and trim the edges. Look at the lovely sailboat we made. Ta-da! Wow, what a pretty raft. I'll be able to catch up to my yacht on it. Hooray! But we need wind to set off. I'll try to blow.
What?
Oh, something's not working. We really need real wind. Rumi, I have an idea. Look. Wow, you came up with a really genius idea. Just look at these waves. Bye-bye. Yay, I'm sailing. Woohoo! I caught up to them. And here's my yacht. Welcome aboard. Thanks for the help, Crafty Loo. That's fantastic! I thought she wouldn't make it. Well done, Rumi! Rumi! Oh, what's that sound? Oh, I'm hungry. Waiter!
So, you called me? Oops, I'm not ready. Just like this, much better. Welcome to our cruise. Our menu features signature lobsters.
No, I don't want seafood.
How about pasta?
No.
Well, this appeared not so easy. Crafty Loo, we need a special dish that will be both tasty and elegant.
We take a jar of noodles. A little magic, it became really small. Now we take blue rhinestones, tear off a strip, and wrap it around. We cover the entire jar this way. Now let's decorate the lid. Put the blue rhinestones to form a flower and add smaller stones. Place big blue stones along the edge too. Look what else I have. I wonder what I'll need for this. I need this and this. Open the jar and fill it with thin blue ribbons shaped like noodles. Sprinkle blue glitter on top. The sapphire noodles are ready. Now take a toothpick and split it in half using cutters and fasten my sticks together. Decorate them with a flower made of rhinestones. A blue bow, just what I need. I attach this kind of charm to it. Done! But I still need a drink. Let's make it from blue air clay. Tear off a piece and fill the glass with it. Then fluff it up with the tweezers like this. And on top, I'll add polymer clay fruit sprinkles. Oh, pitahaya! Add 2 pieces to the glass and make a straw from a paper clip. Pick the blue one and cut off a piece. Decorate the glass with blue rhinestones and voila! We also need a jar of lotion, actually just its lid, and trace it on the back side of a blue foam sheet. Cut out a circle. Glue it to the lid with the shiny side up. Attach another same circle inside. Cover the sides of the lid, both outside and inside, with blue sequins. We got a gorgeous sapphire tray. Place noodles, a smoothie, and chopsticks on it. Zoey, here's your order. Wow, cool! Everything's sparkling. Can I have a napkin? Sure, here you go. That's it. I'm gonna catch you right now. You won't fly away from me. Oh, almost done. Got you. Yes. Oops. Help. I'm gonna fall. Phew, seems I'm safe. Oops.
No.
Help, give me a hand. Oh, who's shouting there? Maybe it's just my imagination. Mira! Mira!
Huh?
Okay, what happened? Let's go, quickly. Okay, I'm here, so I don't see anything. Help, I'm drowning! Oh gosh, that's Zoey. What do I do? Oh right, the life ring. Zoey, catch! Why can't I throw the ring? We have to save Zoey! Maybe because your ring isn't ruby. We'll fix it now. You can't leave the life ring like this. So let's take a red ribbon and glue its end to the ring. Then wrap the entire ring with this ribbon so there are no gaps. Secure the other end of the ribbon. Now it's time to decorate it with rubies. Separate a string of red rubies and wrap it around the ring. Add red stars in between the rhinestones. Look at the ruby life ring we got. Let's give it to Mira. Just in time, Crafty Loo. Zoey, catch! Hooray, I'm saved! Oh, it's actually not deep here. But the life ring is just awesome. It's so cool to float on it. Zoey, you're hopeless. Oh, someone's calling me. I need help. I can't relax and swim in the pool. You need a disguise. Come up with something. Oh, they're coming. Oh no, they're here. Hot tricks, hot tricks, hot tricks! Woo! Crafty Loo, help me, please. Can you make me a disguise? Oh, let's hurry before they notice me. Phew, I finally shook them off. Let's get started with a pattern. It will make a big diamond. We need to cut off the excess. First, fold all the top edges, and then fold along these lines. Form a diamond and glue all the parts together. The top part is left. Glue it on. This is the diamond blank we got. Now take a jar of toothpicks and trace a circle. Cut it out. We also need to make round holes on the side faces. We made holes here and here. Now mark a line on the sharp side and cut off this part with a craft knife. Presto! Decorate the diamond's edges with silver foam sheets with glitter. Cover here too. The top is left. Glue it on. All that's left is to glue rhinestones on the joints. Decorate the top part with bigger stones, like this. Well, Rumi, try it on. Wow, cool. Now I look totally different. Thanks, Crafty Loo. Anytime. Okay, I hope they won't recognize me. Hello, have you by any chance seen Rumi? No, I haven't seen her. Oh, how's that? Maybe Rumi isn't on this yacht. Then let's look for her on another one. Come on, girls. On tricks, on tricks! Phew, they left, thank goodness. Oh, Genu, is that you?
Are you hiding from the fans too?
Yes, I am.
Rumi, if no one can see us here, how about we go down the pool slide?
Great idea. The pool is amazing.
Crafty Loo, we need to talk. Can you set up a cool slide for us?
No problem. It'll be ready soon. Here's your diamond slide.
Wow, I'm going first. Ready? Let's go!
It's fantastic. I want to go too.
Rumi, you're next. The water is just perfect.
Yay! Wow, that's high. I'm ready. Crafty Loo, give me a push. Woohoo! This is my best vacation ever! Yeah! That was incredible. I really enjoyed our trip. Girls, I'm glad you liked your cruise, but you didn't forget anything, right? What could we have forgotten? I don't know, but it feels like we forgot something. You forgot about the concert, but I'll fix that quickly. Stay here. This basket is just perfect for crafting. Take out all the stuff and flip the basket over. It needs to be spruced up, so I'm covering it with the silver fabric. Isn't it much better this way? Glue foil tape around the bottom and decorate it with various rhinestones. Add the cardboard back, part of the scene. Take cut-out stones to create a background. Decorate everything with blue, silver, and red tinsel. Attach the big Huntrix logo in the center. That's the scene. Time to call the girls for the performance. So, where are we going to perform?
Wow.
Huh? Awesome! Wow! Well, are we ready to start? What? Wow, so many stones. Well then, let's light it up. Yes, hooray! Write in the comments which cruise you liked best. Ruby, Diamond, or Sapphire? Give us likes and see you next time. Bye-bye!